Right now, some of the biggest AI companies in the world are quietly begging for help. But they are not hiring engineers. They are not hiring coders. They're hiring ordinary people who can do one simple thing: tell the difference between a good answer and a bad one. And they are paying real money for it. Millions of dollars have already moved through platforms doing exactly this, and most people have never even heard the name of the skill. While every other student is typing "make money with AI" into a search bar, this one opportunity keeps slipping past them, hidden in plain sight. By the end of this video, you will either be signing up for something most of your classmates have never heard of, or you will be scrolling for another video, still looking for the same shortcut everyone else is chasing. So let's break down what is actually happening and why almost nobody is talking about it. Before we go further, understand one thing. 90% of the make money with AI content online is recycled advice. Write content with AI, post on Instagram with AI. There is nothing wrong with that advice, and we will get to it, but ask yourself something. If 1 million people are doing the exact same thing, how long can it possibly stay profitable? Think of it like a classroom where one student discovers a shortcut for solving a tricky problem. As long as only a few people know it, they finish early and look brilliant. The moment the whole class learns it, the advantage disappears completely. That is exactly what has happened to basic AI content writing. Freelancers who leaned entirely on AI-generated text are now watching their income shrink, not grow, because clients can spot generic output from a mile away. The real question was never whether AI creates income. The real question is whether you are doing what everyone else is doing, or something that still has room to breathe. That second category is where we are headed now. The first opportunity hides inside a process called human feedback training. Every time a chatbot gives you a smart, well-structured answer, that quality did not appear by accident. Somewhere behind the scenes, a real person sat down, compared to possible answers, and told the system which one was actually better and why. That is the entire foundation of how these models get smarter. In practice, this means you get shown two responses to the same question, and your job is to judge which one is more accurate, more helpful, or more logical, then explain your reasoning in writing. Sometimes you correct a flawed answer. Sometimes you check whether a piece of code genuinely works. Sometimes you read an argument and decide if the logic actually holds up. Notice what is missing from that list: no coding degree, no portfolio, no years of experience. What actually matters is decent written English, patience to read carefully, and sound judgment. But here is the part most people overlook: this work does not stay open forever at the same pace. Tasks come and go depending on demand, and specialized knowledge in coding, science, or a professional field can push your rate considerably higher. This is not a guaranteed paycheck. It is a genuine skill-based opportunity sitting mostly untouched because the name of the work never trends the way flashy side hustle videos do. Once that first door is open, a second one becomes far more valuable: AI-assisted freelance writing done properly. Every small business, every solo creator, every professional on LinkedIn needs content, scripts, captions, something constantly. That demand is not slowing down anytime soon. But here is the trap: if you copy and paste raw AI output straight to a client, they notice instantly, and your reputation ends before it begins. The freelancers who actually last do something different. They let AI produce a rough first draft, then rebuild it with their own research, their own structure, and their own voice layered on top. With freelancing already home to millions of registered workers competing for attention, the ones who blend AI speed with real human judgment consistently earn a noticeably higher rate than those who do not. The surprising part is that clients are not paying extra for AI usage. They are paying extra for the editing judgment that AI alone cannot fake. That naturally leads to the third and most underrated path: helping local businesses use AI the smart way. Every coaching center, every clinic, every small restaurant needs an active online presence, but almost none of them have the time or the team to manage it. One specific gap keeps showing up again and again: setting up simple automated chat systems that handle bookings, menu questions, or order updates. A basic setup like this can save a business owner more than 15 hours a week, and it typically takes only a few hours to build. Charge a one-time setup fee, then add a small monthly maintenance charge, and even 3 or 4 steady clients can quietly build a reliable second income stream. But this is where things get interesting. The real skill being described here is not individually, it is digital marketing itself, and AI has become a core part of that field rather than an optional extra. So do not try to chase all 3 paths at once this week. Pick one. If you have limited time and want something you can start today with zero investment, look into human feedback training platforms and complete an assessment. If writing is more your style, build to sample pieces with AI assistance this week and send them to 3 potential clients. Small step, taken immediately, beats a perfect plan taken never. Tell me in the comments which of these 3 you would try first: AI training, content freelancing, or local business services, and if this could help a confused friend, send it their way. Keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next one.